Hmm. I don't know. Kan touch him more.
Touch him shell blow like. Bakside. Not so you blood exchange wara.
Yeah, what did that?
There. If you can hold on to the side of the shell. Yeah. No, no, no.
Go to the side. Go,
And
go
then
around, go
I'll
around.
take a picture of you. Come there.
6 months or 9 months.
Hmm.
Take on it. Put it in the ocean.
Smile.
Let him go.
Ah.
Smile.
And then we take a new one, like baby, and then
Tupla tu kami, tupla. Hold it up. Hold it up.
it's always like
Hold it
that.
up again. If you can catch it again.